So when I bought the Mark 4 GTI, which we're currently in, for one, it didn't come with the lock and wheel nut, like the actual lock section. It was missing the centre caps anyway, and they just look pretty tatty in all fairness. So I wanted to buy some of the R32 ones. I'm not exactly sure on like the design name, but it's the ones with like loads of spokes. And the ones I'm picking up today are replicas, they're not actually R32 ones. They just look like they are. Got quite a good deal, got tyres and alloys. He wanted 200 quid for them, but it's happy to sell them for 140. So I've saved quite a bit of money. In all fairness, I had to get a lock and wheel nut to get these alloys off through VW, and it cost me about 50 quid, which is, I guess, quite a lot. And they've replaced them with just normal bolts, which I'm more happy with. Yes, I guess it leaves my car open to people taking the alloys, but I can't risk losing another lock, because I can't afford to spend 50 quid every time I change tyre. And the tyre shop, they wouldn't take off the alloys for me, in fear of breaking the actual bolt itself with not using one from VW. So either way, I took it to VW and got them to take it off and just put in a regular bolt for the price of 50 quid all round. So whatever, it's peace of mind. I don't need to worry about that. If I get a flat tyre or anything, I can just change the bolts out straight away. So the 140 quid ones we're going to now is a bit of a drive, about 2 hours. And we're cruising on the back roads. I was kind of hoping the motorway would go, but Google Maps is taking it a different way, so whatever. It probably saved all of about 30 seconds off the journey, and that's about 10 miles, but hey ho. The condition of these alloys, he said they need a refurb, but he said there's no cracks, there's no welds, and the tyres have got half decent tread on them. By half decent, he probably means it's at 1.6 mil, which is the legal limit, so I'll be able to get a few months use out of them, hopefully. The alloys and the tyres on this currently, there's 2 Pirellis at the back, and then there's some like eco budget ones on the front. So I'll probably try and sell those for about 50 to 100 quid, just to get rid of them, and it kind of pays for the alloys that I'm buying. That's basically it really. They're 18 inch. The ones on this car at the moment are 16. And I just think it doesn't really look like a GTI from the side. I'm pretty sure someone's put normal Golf springs on as well. At some point I'll get some sort of coilover system to lower the car a few centimetres, because at the moment there's quite a lot of wheel gap. I could probably fit another tyre in the gap, so it would be nice to get rid of that gap between the arch and the wheel. Okay, so we picked up the alloys. Unfortunately, they're not as good as what I hoped they would have been. The guy who was selling them on eBay, he had a picture of the alloys when he bought them, not when he actually received them again from his friend. So they're a little bit more scuffed. There's quite a few dents in them. I don't think there's any cracks, although stupidly I didn't actually look. So potentially there's cracks as well, but it was so covered in like brake dust, it was really hard to see. So they've obviously been on a car and they've held pressure. So I'm hoping there's no cracks in the alloy, otherwise that'd be more money. I will try and refurb them myself first before I take them to get acid dipped and so forth, just to see how they turn out. If I can save 200 quid, I will.